I'm Michael George. I'm the water utility supervisor over the service line replacement project. About 4 years ago, the city decided to start a new project to replace inferior copper lines that we've had over the years leaking to help reduce water loss. And so we're about 4 years in now, and we're starting to see some progress from it. Here's an example of just 3 different ones we've got, and you can see how the copper breaks down over time right there. And that's the holes that we're talking about we're looking for. We're replacing the copper lines with HDPE, which is high density polyethylene. It's got a longer life expectancy, usually a 75-year life expectancy or more, and it can handle the ground shifting, and it's just a better quality material, and it's actually a more efficient, price-efficient material to use as well. So we're about 40% into the project. We've done just over 5,300 lines, so we're hoping over the next 5 to 6 years that we'll have this project completed. We're able to make just better use of what we're doing with our water. So far, the city's water loss, we were at somewhere around 24%, and we're around 12% now. That's not just water service line replacement that's done that, though. We actually have leak detection teams that do that too. They actually find these, and they actually get ahead of the game where they're not as serviced as much. One of the big things we've seen so far is that there's a lot less of the service lines leaking and being called in. So those calls have went way down. That's a leak that we don't have come in near as much as we used to since the program started. Once we get to your address, we'll actually dig the water main up. We'll expose your service to your house. We'll connect our new poly pipe to the copper line in the hole. We'll pull a new line through, get everything connected, then we'll backfill the hole back in, and you won't even know we were here. The service line replacement project is not the only way we're upgrading our system. We have a leak detection team that's actually getting a jump on leaks we have coming in. We're upgrading water mains, improving certain areas of the town with the pipes that we have in the ground. They're swapping out meters using new and improved meters, and we also have a new Redbud pump station that's online now and working. For more information over the service line replacement project, just visit the city website.